Hey all, my name is Luke. I make bags from high performance materials that would otherwise be discarded. And today we're gonna go check out North Sales because I got a call saying that they have some old sales that they need to get rid of. So it's a perfect opportunity for us to go over there, check out what a working sale loft looks like and see where a lot of my material comes from.
My name is Kerry Poe. This is North Sales, Oregon. I started this back in '98. I kind of got involved in the sail making industry because I had a long career racing very actively, did a couple Olympic campaigns, and being involved in that, you work with different sail makers as coaches and so forth, and kind of naturally evolved into this. So we do sail repair, new sales, all kinds of stuff.
So for those of you who may not know, I used to work at North Sales. It's where I got my start sewing, where I learned to make boat covers, do sail repairs, and I even got to make a new sail from scratch once. So for the most part, these local lofts in your area are doing sail repair, maintenance, boat covers, awnings, all that kind of stuff. The big production facilities are overseas, and the really high performance ones are in Nevada, at least for North Sales. So a lot of the old sales that I get here in the shop come either directly from the people who have them, they're selling their boat, they're getting a new set of sails for their boat, or they've just been holding on to them and it's taking up space in their garage and they don't know what to do with them. So I really enjoyed that experience of dealing directly with the folks because I can make them bags out of their old sails and they get to keep that piece of history with them and just use it in a new way. But I also get a call from North Sales every once in a while when they have stuff that they need to get rid of to make space for all the new sales they have coming in. So as you can see, they've got a lot of cool machines. They have sewing machines in pits so that they're at the same level as the floor because, you know, the sails are huge. You don't have room to have them up on a sewing table with a normal cement floor like I have here. So they have them all at the same level so that they can work on them by jumping down into the pits and sitting on the chair there. They have a plot cutting table to cut things really precisely using software. They have all sorts of hardware installation equipment. So this thing is a press ring setter. So, you know, you've seen grommets, they're just little metal rings in fabric. And press ring is basically an upsized version of a grommet. It's got lots of little teeth in there and you use this pneumatic or hydraulic press to set these press rings in there to make sure you have a good attachment point on the corners of the sail, either for the corners or for reef points. So yeah, that was North Sales, Oregon here in Portland. Thanks so much for letting me come and visit and bother you guys. I hope these little kind of small manufacturing business visits are interesting for y'all. I know they are for me because I'm a nerd for this kind of stuff. So thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.